Hello students, welcome to Learn with JJ Academy. In today's video, we are going to see the concept adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix. In previous video already we have seen algebra of matrices, that is addition, subtraction and multiplication. If you haven't seen this video, then just go to our channel. Yeah, you will see the video there. Now, here they have given question, find the adjoint of a matrix, and they have given one matrix whose order is 2 by 2. Okay. So what I'm doing first, initially I'm drawing a sample matrix first, that is matrix of cofactors A11, A12, A21 and A22. Okay, A11 means this point lies in first row first column, A12 means this point lies in first row second column, A21 means this point lies in second row first column, and A22 means this point lies in second row second column. So we have one formula of finding cofactor, that is A is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into m, where I means row component, j means column component and m means minor factor. One by one we'll find this 4 cofactors so that your topic will be clear. So initially what I'm doing, initially I'm finding value of A11. A11 point means this point, right? In problem it is 3, right? So minus 1 raised to I plus j, here I is also 1 and j is also 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 into m. M is opposite point of 3, that is 7. So minus 1 square into 7, that is 7. Minus 1 square will be plus 1. 1 into 7 will be 7. So this will be your first cofactor, value of first cofactor. Now I am finding the value of A12. So how will you find A12? Again same formula, minus 1 raised to, here I means what, 1 and j means what, 2. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into A12 point means in matrix this point A12, in problem it is 5, right? Into the opposite point of 5 is 2, right? So here you have to put the value of m is 2. So you will get minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, that is 3 into 2. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 and minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2. So this will be your second value of cofactor A12. Now I am finding value of third cofactor, that is A21, this one. Okay, in problem it is 2, right? So again put in same formula. So minus 1 raised to, here I means 2 and j means 1. So 2 plus 1 into, you can see here opposite point of 2 is here 5. So here you have to write down 5. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 is 3 into 5. So minus 1 raised to 3, again minus 1, and minus 1 into 5 will be minus 5. Okay, and finally you have to find last cofactor A22. So again same, I'm applying same formula. So minus 1 raised to, now I and j is same here 2 into opposite value of 7, you can see here 3, right? Opposite value of 7, opposite value of 7 is 3. So I'm putting 3. So minus 1 raised to 4, here you will get minus 1 raised to 4 into 3. So minus 1 raised to, even power is always plus 1. So 1 into 3 will be 3. Okay, here initially we have find all values of cofactors. Okay, and then you have to create a matrix of cofactors. Therefore the matrix, you have to write down this matrix of cofactor is, you can denote by any letter. I am denoting by it P, is equal to A11. First point is here 7, put here 7. Second point is minus 2, put here minus 2. Third point is minus 5, I am putting here minus 5. And last point is 3. So I have create here matrix of cofactors. Okay, and then actually what we have to find, we have to find adjoint of a matrix, right? And finally what you have to do, you have to just take transpose. Therefore after this, taking transpose will get adjoint of A. Okay, you have to take transpose of given matrix of cofactors, that is P matrix. So adjoint of A is equal to, in transpose what we do, we just convert rows into columns. So our first row is 7 minus 2, you have to write down in column like this, 7 minus 2. Second row is 5 minus 5 3, write down in second column minus 5 3. This will be your adjoint of matrix A. I hope this problem is clear to you. Okay, we'll see one more question so that your topic will be clear. Now here you can see here where to find adjoint of A, but here they have given 3 by 3 order matrix. Here they have given 3 by 3 order matrix. So what you have to do, initially you have to draw a sample matrix first. Okay, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Okay, so initially you have to draw a matrix of cofactors. Okay, then one by one you have to find these 9 cofactors. So what I'm doing, initially I'm finding first cofactor A11. First cofactor is here A11. In problem it is 2, right? But here what I'm doing now, here I'm considering 2 by 2 order determinant. Okay, I'm not applying formula that we have applied in previous question in 2 by 2 order. In 3 by 3 you can directly find cofactors by finding determinant. So this point 2 you can see here lies in first row and first column, right? This point 2 lies in first row, first column. So what you have to do, you have to just skip first row and first column, and remaining 4 points you have to put here. That is 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, what I've done here, I just consider that point and I just keep the point lies in that row and column, and I put here remaining 4 points. Similarly A12 will be again same. A12 point means 0 point. This point lies in again first row, second column. So remaining 4 points are 1, 4, 2, 0. 1, 4, 2, 0. Okay, then A13 point means this one 1. Again this point lies in first row, third column. First row, third column. So you have to skip first row and third column. Remaining 4 point 1, 4, 3, 1. Put here 1, 4, 3, 1. Okay, then I am finding A21. Initially I am finding determinant of all cofactors, and then I'm going to simplify it. Okay, A21, you can see here A21 means this point 1. This point lies in first column, second row. First column, second row. So remaining 4 points are 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Next is A22. A22 point means point number 3, right? This point lies in second row, second column. 3 point lies in second row, second column. So just skip second row, second column. Remaining 4 points are 2, 4, 1, 0. Here I am putting 2, 4, 1, 0. Okay. Next I am finding A23. So the value of A23 will be, A23 means point number 2. This point lies in second row, third column. Second row, third column. If I skip, remaining 4 points are 2, 4, 0, 1. 2, 4, 0, 1. Next is A31. A31 you will get, A31 means this point number 4. This lies in first column, say third row. First column, third row. So remaining 4 points are 0, 3, 1, 2. 0, 3, 1, 2. Next I am finding A32. A32 point means this point. Again this point lies in third row, second column. Remaining 4 points are 2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1, 2. And finally A33, last point. So the last point means 0 lies in third row, third column. So remaining 4 points are 2, 1, 0, 3. 2, 1, 0, 3. So in this way you can find 2 by 2 order determinant of all cofactors. Okay, and next what you have to do, you have to multiply this by plus minus plus minus. By alternate sign you have to multiply the answer, plus minus plus minus. Okay, because we haven't applied here formula, so we multiply it by this sign, plus minus plus minus. Okay, so now first one, 3 times 0 will be 0, minus 2 into 1. Initially you have to multiply these two terms, 3 into 0, 0, minus you have to multiply these two terms, 2 into 1, 2. So that is minus 2, and if you multiply by plus sign you will get same answer, minus 2. Okay, second, again multiply 1 into 0, 0, minus 2 times 4 will be 8. So you will get minus 8, but If you multiply this value by minus sign, it will become plus 8. Okay, I am rounding the final answer, okay, so that we'll understand that what is the exact answer. Now again 1 into 1 1 minus 3 times 4 will be 12, so you will get minus 11, and minus 11 if you multiply by plus sign, this answer will not change, it will be as it is, minus 11. Next 0 into 0 will be 0, minus 1 into 1 will be 1, so you will get minus 1, and if I multiply by minus sign, we'll get plus 1. Again 2 times 0 will be 0, minus 1 times 4 will be 4, so you will get minus 4, and if I multiply by plus sign, answer will be as it is, minus 4. Now 2 times 1 will be 2, and okay, after plus this should be minus, plus, minus and plus. 2 into 1 2, and 0 into 4 0, so if I multiply by minus sign, it will become minus 2. Again 0 into 2 0, minus 3 into 1 3. If I multiply plus sign, that means it will be as it is, minus 3. 2 times 2 4, minus 1 times 1 will be 1, that is 3. If I multiply minus sign, it will become minus 3. And finally 2 times 3 will be 6, minus 1 into 0 0, so you will get plus 6. Okay, and again same, after finding all factors, you have to create a matrix of cofactor. Therefore matrix of cofactor is, you can denote it by P is equal to, now what I am doing, one by one you have to write, minus 2 8 minus 11, minus 2 8 minus 11, then 1 minus 4 minus 2, 1 minus 4 minus 2, and finally minus 3 minus 3 6, minus 3 minus 3 and 6. Okay, and after creating matrix of cofactors, here what you have to take, you have to take transpose. So taking transpose will get adjoint of A is equal to, what you have to do, you have to just write down row into column form, that is first row is minus 2 8 minus 11, I write down in column form. Second row is 1 minus 4 minus 2, so 1 minus 4 minus 2, and third row is minus 3 and 6, minus 3 and 6. In this way you can find adjoint of any matrix, adjoint of any 3 by 3 order matrix. Okay, in 2 by 2 order you have to apply the formula, but in 3 by 3 you can solve, you can find cofactor by using determinants, finding determinants. Okay, the next concept of today's video is inverse of a matrix. Okay, if you understood how to find adjoint, then you can easily find inverse, because the formula of inverse is 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. Question will be asked, find inverse of a matrix, and they have given one 2 by 2 order determinant, right? So again same, what you will do first, initially write down formula of A inverse, that is A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. Consider this equation as equation number 1. Initially I am finding determinant of A. So we know how to find determinant, just convert square bracket into vertical bracket. So 4 3 3 2, if I multiply it, you will get 4 times 2 will be 8, and minus 3 times 3 will be 9, that is minus 1. So the value of determinant of A is equal to minus 1. And then we have to find one by one 4 cofactors, that is first cofactor is A11. A11 is equal to minus 1 raised to square into the opposite value of A11 is 2. So minus 1 square is plus 1, and 1 into 2 is 2. Then A12, that is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is 3. A12 means 3 point, opposite point is again 3. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. So minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Then find A21, that is minus 1 raised to 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. A21 means again 3, opposite point of 3 is again 3, same. So it is again minus 3. And finally A22, that is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 is 4 into opposite point of 2 is 4. So here I am putting 4. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1. 1 into 4 is 4. Therefore, matrix of cofactor, that is P, is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 3 4, right? This will be your matrix of cofactors. Now what I'm doing, I'm just taking transpose. After taking transpose, you will get adjoint of A, right? So adjoint of A is equal to, just you have to write down rows into column form. So 2 minus 3 is your first row, convert into column, and second row minus 3 4, write down in column. So minus 3 4. This will be your adjoint of A. But what we have to find? We have to find inverse of a matrix. Therefore, from equation 1, A inverse is equal to, formula is 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 over determinant of A, already we have minus 1. I am putting here minus 1 into adjoint of A, also we have this matrix, put here 2 minus 3 minus 3 4, right? Therefore, A inverse is equal to, what I'm doing, I'm just multiplying this minus 1 inside to each term, so its sign will change. So plus 2 will become minus 2, minus 3 will become plus 3, again this minus 3 will become plus 3, and this plus 4 will become minus 4. This will be your value of A inverse. In this way you can find the value of A inverse. It's very simple. What is extra in this? Yes, you have to find determinant of A, and you have to divide determinant of A, that value, to each term of adjoint of A matrix. Okay, let's see one more question. The question will be asked, find A inverse by adjoint method, and if A is equal to, they have given matrix. So what I'm doing, first initially A inverse, write down formula 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A, right? So determinant of A is equal to, convert this bracket into square bracket into vertical bracket. So 1 minus 1 0 0 1 1 and 1 2 1. If you will simplify this, you will get minus 2. You will get minus 2. And next, what you have to find? You have to find 9 cofactor, that is A11, A12, A13. Already we have seen how to find the cofactors. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just directly writing the values of all cofactors. Okay, A31, A32 and A33. So the value of A11 is minus 1. The value of A12 is again 1. The value of A13 will again minus 1. The value of 21 is plus 1. The value of A22 is again 1. The value of A23 is minus 3. The value of A31 is minus 1. The value of A32 is again minus 1. And the value of A33 is plus 1. Okay, you know how to find cofactors of 3 by 3 order matrix. Already we have seen in previous question. Okay, and therefore after this, what we do? Matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactors, that is P, is equal to, you have to just put all values in this matrix. So first 3 points are minus 1 1 minus 1, next 3 points are 1 1 minus 3, and next 3 points are minus 1 minus 1 1, right? And then what we do, we have to find adjoint. So taking transpose, what we do, taking transpose, so we will get adjoint of A is equal to, what we have to do, we have to just write down the given matrix which are in row form, it write down in column form. That is, first row is minus 1 1 minus 1, write down in column minus 1 1 minus 1. Second row is 1 1 minus 3, write down in column 1 1 minus 3. third row is minus 1 minus 1 1, write down in column minus 1 minus 1 1. So this will be your adjoint of A, and therefore we have to find A inverse, right? So A inverse is equal to, we have formula 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. So is equal to 1 over the value of determinant of A, we have minus 2. I'm putting here minus 2 into adjoint of A. The value of adjoint of A also we have that matrix. So just put all values here, minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 and minus 1 minus 3 1. Okay, so this will be your value of A inverse. Either in next step, either you can multiply divide minus 2 to each term separately, or simply A inverse is equal to 1 by 2. I'm just dividing minus sign to each term separately. So this minus 1 will become plus 1, this will become minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 3 minus 1. Okay, plus value will become minus and minus will become plus. Or you can divide by minus 2 to each term separately also, that will also the right answer. Okay, so in this way you can find inverse of 3 by 3 order matrix. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to you, both the topics, adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix. If you want to learn more of about this topic or maths, so we have our online classes also. We have taken classes from 6th standard to engineering till engineering. Okay, I'm going to teach you personally there. Okay, I have mentioned all details in our description. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel, so that the videos of next topic you will get the notification of that videos. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye, have a great day.